today's video is another Ipsy unbagging. So yeah, I'm excited. So yesterday I got it in, but I kind of already peeked because I was not feeling like myself, and I just wanted to see, I don't know, makeup makes me feel better and happier. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and pull this little bag out, and then the card should be inside. So that being said, we're just going to show you the bag already because the card's inside. So the bag from this month looks like this. It has the cute little lashes, it has the gold, it has a little gold tassel, and then the zipper. Now the bag itself, the design is cute, however I still don't like this kind of material. I mentioned this so many times before just because I find it super hard to clean if you get anything dirty on here. Now these bags I normally use them for, I don't really normally use them for makeup. I use them for like the time of the month. I put like, you know, like the tampons and the pads and stuff like that, either for me or for my girls, and then just have them in the little bag. Or I just use them for different type of things. So anyway, that being said, here's a card, but I want to show you the inside. The inside is pink, and now this is really nice and cute. I like the way that it's just like a different color inside. I just like when they have like a more of like a natural or like color. It doesn't even matter, just as long as like a color out here, and then inside they just throw like a bright color in here. And then it says rules were made to be broken. So the card right here, it says who is going to stop me. The question isn't who is going to let me, it's who is going to stop me. So I guess it's kind of like a rebel type of thing, so I feel like more like. So this is what the card looks like, and then yeah, so let's go ahead and take out the first thing. What I'm going to pull out is It Naturals. It's 12-in-1 amazing leave-in treatment, keratin enriched argan oil, which looks like this. Now I love getting anything to do with hair, whether it's deep conditioning overnight or anything like that. Since I do bleach my hair, I do color my hair a lot, so stuff like this, I kind of love it because it helps my hair out. So that is a plus. Next thing I'm going to pull out is this cute little lipstick pencil, I guess. I'm thinking it's a lipstick. And this is by Mana Beauty Supplied. And then it has this stupid little sticker that I hate. So hopefully it doesn't give me that much trouble. This color I actually do like, because I like more of like bright colors, reds, pinks. Depends on the pink. It has to be like a plum pink, hot pink type of color. And just give me a try. So this is what it looks like. It's so pretty. It's real small. It says this is a priming lip wand, lip blocker. So it's actually it says step 3. So I guess there's 2 steps, but it's a priming lip wand. So look at that. So it has a really pretty color. I really like that, and it looks like it's really nice and moisturizing. So I can't wait to try that out on my crusty lips. This time they're really dry. Okay, the next thing I pull out is the Luxie brush. Now I have owned several Luxie brushes that were sent in through Ipsy in my bag, and I love to get brushes, period. But this is says DC Comics and Warner Brothers. So, oh, that is awesome! Look at that. It is a Wonder Woman. It's a tapered blending brush, but it's a Wonder Woman kind. That's why it says right here. I don't know if you can see that, but it says DC and Warner Brothers. That is freaking awesome. That is really cool. I like the fact that it's like that's like the theme or whatever. So that's pretty cool. I'm excited for that. And then the next thing I pulled out is the Glamour Dolls, and I think this is the eyeliner. Like I know earlier today I said that I peeked through the products, but I didn't like see like the detail. I just like went like, oh, okay, that's what I got. That's basically what I mean when I said I peeked through. It's not like I literally looked at everything. And let me see if I can take this out. I like the pink packaging. I think it's cute. I've never had this brand before. Ooh, so it's my kind of color. It's kind of what I have on my waterline. This is really nice. Let's see here. Normally a little bit lighter than I would like, but yeah, I can't wait to try that out on my eyes. That's pretty. I like this blue. I always like to put like blue on my waterline just because I feel like it gives it a pop of color. And then this one is a Pretty Petal Princess Loose Eyeshadow. So it is taped there, which I'm not going to open it because these normally, to be honest, I really don't reach out for them. Like, I have so many of them and I just don't reach for them. So I'm going to keep this sealed, even though it is like a really pretty like pink with bits of gold in it. It's really pretty, but I just don't reach out for these unless it was like a silver or gold or something like that, then I would. So stuff like this I usually just give to Destiny, or I just have them in a little area. And sometimes when Destiny has like parties, like the other day when she first was a shredder, she had like a they had to like give each other gifts, and just made like a bouquet of makeup and stuff that are sealed. I just kind of throw them in there and just give them as a gift. So yeah, that's about it, guys. This is all that was in my Ipsy bag. I think if I have to pick what is my favorite thing, I'm gonna end up having to go with this brush, because one, I love brushes, and two, it's Wonder Woman. Like, we can't go wrong with Wonder Woman. And yeah, so this stuff I just gotta try out because I never tried any of these products before. I am excited to try this out, but again, I've never tried this brand. I don't think. Maybe I have in the past. I don't know, because sometimes Ipsy sends you like the same brand stuff but different things from them. But this personally, like this bottle right here, I have never tried. So I'm gonna have to go with the brush because I have tried Lexi brushes before and I love them. And it's just the fact that it's Wonder Woman. So that is about it. I hope you guys like this video. If you want to know anything about Ipsy, if you're new and anything like that, I will leave their link in the description in the bottom. That way you guys can check out their website if you want. And that's about it. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Ring that bell to be notified for future videos. And until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.